So integral 2 to 8 mod x minus 5 dx. In this class we are taking definite integration for modulus functions. Look at this problem. Integral 2 to 8 mod x minus 5 dx. What is the stationary point here? 5. So I can write 2 to 5 mod x minus 5 dx plus 5 to 8 mod x minus 5 dx. Okay. So since it is 2 to 5, x less than 5, so modulus x minus 5 will be 5 minus x dx plus between 5 to 8 it will be positive, so x minus 5 dx. I told you already definition of this. What is the mod x minus 5 value? Mod x minus 5 equal to plus x minus 5 if x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to 5. If x value is 5 or above 5, we can take positive. This is 5 and above 5, so positive value. Minus value, and when will you take? X minus 5 is less than 0, x less than 5. If x value is below 5, see 2 to 5. 2 to 5 means x value below 5, so that's why I am taking negative value here. So what is the integration for 5? 5x, x value x square by 2, limits are from 5 to 2, plus x integration is x square by 2 minus 5x. So 8, 5. So simplify. Upper limit 5 5s are 25 minus 25 by 2 minus of 5 2s are 10 minus 4 by 2 means 2. Here 8 square 64 means 32 minus 8 5s are 40 minus of 25 by 2 minus 25. Okay. So 50 minus 25, 25 by 2 minus 8, this is minus 8, minus 50 plus 25, minus 25 means plus 25 by 2, 25 by 2, 25 by 2, 50 by 2 means 25 minus 60 will be 9, therefore answer is 9. Okay. So what is the answer here? 9. Let us see one more problem. Second question. Integral 0 to 2 integral 0 to 2 modulus x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. X square plus 2x minus 3. So for doing this, first let me find out the stationary points for this. X square plus 2x minus 3. Factors x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. X take common, x plus 3 minus 1 of x plus 3. So x plus 3 fully common, x minus 1. So what are the stationary points here? Minus 3 and 1. Okay. So by wavy curve method, it is positive value above minus plus. Alternatively we will keep. So like this, wavy curve method. So When do we take it is positive? So x square plus 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. When will you have the greater than or equal to 0 means positive? If x is less than or equal to minus 3 and x is more than or equal to 1. This function value is positive when x is below minus 3 and above 1. When will you have negative? It is x square plus 2x minus 3 less than 0. When do we have it is less than 0? Between minus 3 and 1. Okay, clearly it is understood. So how do we split now? Integral 0 to 2 mod x square plus 2x minus 3 dx equal to integral 0 to 1 mod x square plus 2x minus 3 dx plus 1 to 2 mod x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Between 0 and 2 we have only 1 here. So 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Okay, between 0. Suppose here if I take 0, between 0 and 2 you have only 1. So that's why we can split like that. Not minus 3. So now between 0 and 1, whether it is positive or negative, you see 0 and 1 means x value less than 1. X value less than 1 means that function value negative. Negative means minus of x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Between 1 and 2 means x value is above 1. Above 1 means positive. So integral 1 to 2 x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. So minus of integration x cube by 3, x square by 2, 2 gets cancelled, x square 3x. Limits are from 1 0. This is x cube by 3 plus x square minus 3x. Limits are 2 1. Okay. So substitute the limits now. Minus of 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 3. Rest all will be 0, I think so. Plus 8 by 3 plus 4 minus 6 minus of 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 3. Minus of here 3 LCM 1 plus 3 minus 9 plus here 3 LCM 8 plus 12 minus 18. Here also 3 LCM, so 1 plus 3 minus 9. So 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 means minus 5. Already minus is there. Plus 5 by 3. 20 minus 18 plus 2 by 3. 4 minus 9 minus 5 by 3. Already minus is there. Plus 5 by 3. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 5 12 by 3. 3/4. So answer is 4. Therefore answer is 4. What is the final answer? 4. Let us see the next one. Third one, integral 0 to 3 modulus x cube plus x square plus 3x dx. Okay, this is mod x cube plus x square plus 3x will be positive if x is greater than or equal to 0, minus of x cube plus x square plus 3x if x is less than 0. Modulus definition. So what will you get here? Integral 0 to 3 mod x cube plus x square plus 3x dx equal to, between 0 and 3 means x value is above 0 always, right? X value is above 0. Above 0 means positive or negative? So positive. So directly you can write x cube plus x square plus 3x dx, positive. So I will take x power 4 by 4 plus x cube by 3 plus 3x square by 2. What are the limits? 3 is 0. Okay, substitute 3 power 4 81 by 4 plus 27 by 3 9 9 by 2 9 3s are 27 by 2. Okay, LCM 4 81 plus 36 plus 54. So 10 11 6 9 171 by 4. Therefore answer is 171 by 4. That's all for today. Let us see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.